The brave little fish. In a vast blue river surrounded by lush green forests, there lived a tiny fish named Finn. Finn was no ordinary fish. While other fish swam in groups, playing games, or hunting for food, Finn often sat quietly near the river bank, staring at the endless flow of water. Deep inside, Finn dreamed of adventures, of leaving the familiar waters to explore the unknown. One day, while resting near a rock, Finn overheard two older fish talking. "The river ends in a place called the Great Ocean," one said. "It's a massive, mysterious world with endless blue water, colorful creatures, and strange wonders. But it's dangerous, the currents are strong, and the predators are fierce. No fish from this river has ever come back from the Great Ocean." Finn's heart raced with excitement. The Great Ocean, I must see it, Finn thought. But the second fish shook its head. Only the foolish would try. The river is safe, and everything we need is here. Why risk your life for something you don't even understand? That night, Finn couldn't sleep. The thought of the Great Ocean filled his mind. The moonlight shimmered on the river's surface, and Finn whispered to himself, "I'll find the Great Ocean. Even if it's dangerous, I want to know what lies beyond." Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe for more videos.